I'm going to give y'all a quick little tip today about how we use our zucchini pickles. You didn't know you could make pickles using zucchini? You can, and I'll show you in just a minute, and I'll tell you about it in just a minute. But let me tell you some ways that we use our pickles. I make two different kinds, two different flavors. I will make kosher dill, and I will make bread and butter. And we can use them interchangeably. Let's see. We use them on bologna sandwiches, deli sandwiches, sub sandwiches, hamburgers, things like that. But another way that we use those pickles is running them through a food processor and turning them into relish. You've got instant either dill relish on hand or sweet relish on hand. For the relishes, we can use on hot dogs. You can still use those on sandwiches. If you don't want the chunks of pickles, just use the relish. We make potato salad. We make egg salad, deviled eggs, egg salad sandwiches, tuna salad sandwiches, chicken salad sandwiches, anything, y'all. That's just a way that two different ways that we can use our pickles. Just eating them as a pickle or turning them into relish. Now, if you want, a lot of reasons why I do make pickles using zucchini is because number one, I can. Number two, what space I would use for growing cucumbers, I use that space for something else because I don't like cucumbers. Dear hubby does, but he's not going to eat those things fast enough, as fast as they come in and they grow. Okay, so I utilize my boatloads of zucchini and then just turn around and make zucchini pickles. I also make a mock pineapple using zucchinis. Did you know you could do that? Don't give away all of that precious zucchini. Use it. Find different ways to use it. Relish, pickles, mock pineapple. There you go. I just gave you some ideas. And I just surplus my zucchini. And I use that other space for something else and utilize my garden better. If you want to know how I use zucchini to make pickles or to make mock pineapple, catch these two videos right here and go watch those. You will learn a bunch and your family will not know they're eating zucchini. Y'all go watch those two videos.